Feeling a little bit better today. Spring is here for sure. And that sickness, man, that was fast and furious. Whatever Jacob brought home. Like, he had it for like 2 days. And it was gone with him. And then when I got it, it was like I started feeling it on Sunday. Last Sunday, so I'd say 4 days now. But I'm out working at least. God, it's been so flippin' hard. I'm tired of applying for work. It's just so bad. Those in-person interviews, they didn't work out, as you know. I'm still struggling. The delivery here is picking up a little bit, so maybe springtime it's going to pick up a bit more, which is really good if I can make extra money here. Survivable stuff. Not like that scraping edge, which I'm so tired of. You work and try to get something and try to get ahead a little bit. It just keeps going into the crapper. But that's what it is, a relative situation. And all of it is here in this life. God is gracious and God is the provider. I thank God for his love and grace. And grace displayed amazingly, because my whole life, I know, is a beautiful display of God's grace. So that's going to be displayed among the celestials in the oncoming eons. Our display, which God has for us to display, will be displayed among celestial beings. And he'll give us that. He'll display it through us. And it's just so wonderful. That's what we look forward to. Not this dying relative state, but spiritually fueled, beautiful power in spirit, vivified beyond the reach of death. Grace and peace.